Welcome back, lovely moms. Today, on day 4 of our interior design journey, we are going to dive into the world of colors and patterns that can help create a calm and tranquil ambience in your bedroom. Get ready to transform your space into a serene oasis where you and your child can unwind and connect on a deeper level. Let's explore soothing color palettes and patterns together. Point 1, the power of serenity. As young mothers, we understand the importance of a calm and tranquil environment for both ourselves and our little children. Choosing the right colors and patterns can significantly impact the mood and atmosphere of your bedroom, promoting relaxation and a sense of security. Point 2, cool and calming blues. Blue hues are known for their soothing properties, evoking feelings of peace and tranquility. Consider incorporating shades like soft sky blue, aqua, or even a gentle pastel to create a serene ambience in your bedroom. Point 3, tranquil greens. Green is a color associated with nature, symbolizing growth, harmony, and balance. Introducing touches of green, whether through wall paint, bedding, or decor elements, can infuse your bedroom with a sense of calmness and rejuvenation. Point 4, serene neutrals. Neutrals such as beige, cream, and soft grey can provide a timeless and serene backdrop for your bedroom. These colors create a harmonious space that promotes relaxation, making it easier for both of you and your child, to unwind and feel secure. Point 5, delicate pastels. Pastel colors like blush pink, lavender, and mint green bring a delicate, soothing vibe to any room. Incorporate pastel accents through pillows, curtains, or artwork to add a touch of serenity to your bedroom design. Point 6, tranquil patterns. Patterns can enhance the calming atmosphere of your bedroom. Opt for subtle and calming patterns such as gentle waves, soft florals, or organic textures to create a tranquil visual experience. Point 7, light and airy fabrics. Light and airy fabrics like sheer curtains or flowing drapes can add an ethereal touch to your bedroom. These fabrics allow natural light to filter in, creating a serene and dreamy atmosphere during the day. Point 8, minimalistic zen. Embrace a minimalistic approach to your bedroom design for a clean and clutter-free space. Simplifying your surroundings promotes a sense of peace and allows for better focus and connection with your child. Point 9, personalized touches. Incorporate meaningful items and personal touches in your bedroom design. Display family photos, sentimental objects, or artwork created by your child to create an environment that fosters love, connection, and security. Point 10, creating nighttime rituals. Establish nighttime rituals with your child to enhance the bond and create a sense of security. Design a cozy reading nook where you can cuddle up and share bedtime stories, fostering a calm and loving atmosphere before sleep. Now that you have a clear understanding of soothing color palettes and patterns, it's time to transform your bedroom into a tranquil heaven where you and your child can feel confident, calm, happy, loved, and secure. Stay tuned for our next video as we continue our journey to create a nurturing and beautiful home environment. Remember, you are an amazing mom doing incredible work. Until next time, ciao.